My nose is finely tuned to the smell of burning oil or a coolant leak. I recently found one on the Turbo Mom van. Fortunately, it was right behind the distributor, and I got some terrific advice from the Shelby Dodge Automobile Club members on turbo-mopar.com. I drained the coolant out, removed the distributor, and then knocked the plug sideways with a big chisel. Word on the street had it that I wouldn't be the first guy in history to knock the plug into the block, and that it wouldn't hurt anything if I did. However, I was able to remove this one with some Knipex Cobra head pliers given to me by a German friend of mine. They really are sehr gut. On the matter of sealant, there were all sorts of opinions. Some installed dry, others used Indian head shellac. Permatex Type 1 was also a popular choice. 620 bearing sealant was another favorite, while some guys used RTV. Others, they used an anaerobic sealant. The one thing I took from so many successful installs with all those different products was that following the directions would generally get the job done. I used a socket which allowed for some movement from side to side for installation of my new brass plug. I didn't want the socket to become stuck when the sides gave way as it was pressed into the block. After pinching my finger horrifically while trying to stay out of the way of the camera, the plug was in and it hasn't leaked in close to 1,000 miles now. Thanks again for all the S-Stack members who helped to guide me through this one. It was super simple and I'm quite thankful it was easy to get to. It sure beats a trip to the machine shop.